Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how many hours to study in medical school step by step. Plan your weekly schedule by tracking classes, clinical shifts, and dedicated review blocks with realistic breaks. Start with a baseline of 40 hours and adjust by performance and endurance. Prioritize high-yield topics, incorporate active recall, and schedule at least one full day for rest. I'll guide you through weekly, daily, and exam-specific plans. Start each day with a clear goal and a prioritized task list to maximize productivity and reduce decision fatigue. Use 50 to 90-minute study blocks followed by short restorative breaks to maintain focus. Rotate subjects to prevent burnout and interleave question bank practice with content review. Keep one block reserved for weak topics and finish with a brief daily summary to cement learning and plan the next day. When preparing for big exams, gradually ramp up hours to 60 to 80 per week while protecting sleep and recovery. Transition study emphasis to question banks and timed practice to build stamina and exam strategy. Use full-length mocks, review missed concepts, and adjust daily hours based on performance trends. Remember that steady, data-driven increases beat sudden cramming and reduce the risk of burnout during peak prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.